First, we start by applying our gloves, which we're going to change again before we start the treatment with the client. This is a device that I use. It's the IvanMed, which is partnered with Dermapen. And as you can see here are the dials, which adjust the depth of the needle from the cartridge. You're going to range from anywhere from 0.25 to 1.5 if you're a non-medic. Medics can go above 1.5. Where the black arrow lines up with the number is the depth of the needle. These are the cartridges that I use from IvanMed, the iMed pen. You'll also need a tattoo sleeve to protect the pen and prevent cross-contamination, and some tape that you can buy from Amazon, which I will link, just to secure it in place. I use 2 just to ensure that it fits around the pen. So you slot that through, and that just ensures there's no cross-contamination, because we will be breaking the skin when we do the treatment. You can see here that I'm making sure that the tattoo sleeve is completely towards the end of the cartridge and the pen, and that none of the pen is on display, just to prevent cross-contamination, so any bodily fluids or blood won't leak and trickle up the pen, and that prevents cross-contamination. Then you secure that with tape to ensure that the tattoo sleeve does not move. For the purpose of this video, I will open the microneedling cartridge, but you can do this when the client is there, so they know that it's a newly freshly opened packet. And then you can attach this to the pen. But just for the purpose of the video, I'll just show you how you slot this in and turn it clockwise to slot it into place. Most microneedling devices will have the same mechanism, so it will be similar in the way that you put the pen together with the cartridge. You also want to ensure that you have enough slip and grip to move the dial, which adjusts the speed. So when you have the tattoo sleeve on the pen, don't secure it too tightly that you can't then manoeuvre the dial with the speed. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that with ease with the client. But you also want to make sure that you can see the dial with the speed. So make sure that you get a slightly transparent tattoo sleeve. Here I'm using 2 tattoo sleeves to overlap because mine weren't large enough. And then I'm securing them in place with tape, but making sure that it's loose enough again so that I still am able to move the dial and adjust the speed of the cartridge. Then I'm taping over the back of the pen just to ensure, again, no cross-contamination from any bacteria or blood from the client. You can see here I can still move the dial with ease and see where the arrow is lining up with the depth of the cartridge. The protective bung on the top of the cartridge, and just before the treatment I'll take that bung off.